morning, my dear students. Have you enjoyed your holidays? Great. Are you doing your homework regularly? Very good. I am going to teach you science today. Today I am going to teach you science. Parts of plants and their functions. What is it? Parts of plants and their functions. Now we will see an interesting video about parts of plants and their functions, and then we will start the session.
Plant parts and their function. You might have plants at your home. Plants can be inside the house or outside, and they can be large, like a tree, or small, like a rose. Some plants are very pretty and have lots of color in their leaves and flowers. A plant that has red or purple can be used to make paint or dye. Plants give us many things. Most people feel good looking at flowers, and people often give flowers as presents. Many plants, like roses, smell so good that they're used in perfume. Others are used in medicine. Some plants give us food like carrots or apple and banana trees. Many animals also eat plants. Can you think of an animal that eats bananas? Trees give us shade that keeps us cool on a hot day. We use trees for exercise when we climb them to play. Most plants grow in the ground. They begin as a seed. The seed opens up to a budding plant. Part of the seed grows up toward the warmth of the sun above the dirt. Part of the seed grows down into the ground. The part that grows mostly beneath the dirt is called the root of the plant. The part that grows up above the ground is the stem of the plant or the trunk of the tree. Some tree roots are so big you can see them growing above the ground. The root absorbs or soaks up water and nutrients or food in the soil. This water and food goes up into the stem or trunk of a tree and out to the leaves, flowers, and fruit. Roots also grip the earth and keep the plant from falling over. Plants grow toward the sun because they need sunlight to live. The leaves grow out from the plant to catch and use the sunlight and air to produce more food for the plant. A plant needs food and energy from the sun. When we eat plants, we put their energy into our body. Our body needs the same things so we can grow and be healthy. We can eat the fruit that grows from the plant stem, the roots like carrots or peanuts, and the leaves of a plant like lettuce or spinach. Every time we eat plants, we get vitamins. Vitamins are made inside the plant with the help of the sun. Some plants make seeds that drop on the ground so more plants will grow. The seeds are found in the flowers or the fruit of the plant. People, animals, and birds will often eat the seeds. Have you eaten sunflower seeds, nuts, or rice? Those are some seeds we can eat. Birds might perch on a plant and peck out the small seeds for their dinner. Many flowers make pollen. Pollen has to be blown to the other plants by the wind or carried by an animal like a bee or a bird. This bee will get pollen stuck to the bee as he gets sweet nectar for his lunch. When he goes to another flower for more nectar, some of that pollen will drop off of him. The pollen enters another flower and fertilizes the egg cells. Thus, seeds are formed. Plants grow because we plant the seeds or because animals have them stuck in their fur and they drop off into the soil, or because the wind blows the seeds to new places. In this picture, a girl is blowing the seeds of a dandelion. Maybe you've done that. Farmers who want to grow a large field of plants plant lots of seeds. The seeds from wheat are ground up and made into flour for our bread. Tree farmers grow trees to use for boards and paper and many other things. Plants both big and small are important to people and our world. Now let's summarize what we've learned.
Today we are going to learn about parts of plants and their functions. Have you ever seen a plant? Yes or no? Yes, we have seen a plant and it will look like this, isn't it? Yeah, a plant will be looking like this. So here, what is a plant? A plant is a living thing that grows in the earth. A plant is a living thing that grows in the earth. So what are all the things which you will see in a plant? First one, you will see a flower. You will see a flower. The next one, you will see a fruit. The next one, you will see a fruit. And then stem. And then leaf. And then what we will see is leaf. And then down under the ground you will see the root. Down under the ground you will see the root. So under that is root. And what will be the next? The next will be the stem which goes here. Spell it out, stem. S-T-E-M. Repeat after me. S-T-E-M. Stem. What is the next one? Leaf. The next one is leaf. Spell it out. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Spell it out again. L-E-A-F. Leaf. And the next one is flower. And the next one is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Spell it out again. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. And the next one which will be continuously coming after the flower is fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Spell it out. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. This is the major part of the plant. These are the major part of the plant. And when you are going to see a plant, what will be seen first? You will see from the stem to top. So you can't see the root, isn't it? So this plant is going to be divided into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. The plant which you can see up on the earth is called shoot system. What is it called? Shoot system. Spell it out. S-H-O-O-T. Shoot system. S-Y-S-T-E-M. System. Spell it out again. S-H-O-O-T. Shoot system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. So, the part which you can see on the ground is called shoot system. The portion of the plant above the ground is called shoot system. Repeat it again. The portion of the plant above the ground is called shoot system. Okay, now I can see the stem, the leaves, the flowers and the fruits, but I can't see a part in this plant. What is it? Yes, very good. It is root. It is root because it is under the ground. Because it is under the ground. You can see the root which is here. Very good. Spell it out. R-O-O-T. Root. Spell it out again. R-O-O-T. Root. Very good. So, now this part which is under the ground is called root system. What it is called? Root system. Spell it out. R-O-O-T. Root system. Yes. Y-S-T-E-M. System. The portion of the plant below the ground is called root system. Repeat it once again with me. The portion of the plant below the ground is called root system. So now what we learned is parts of plant, isn't it? We learned about the plant. What are all the parts which is in a plant? Now the next one is and their functions. The next one is and their functions. Shall we move to the functions now? Very good. Now plants have different parts and each part has a special function. So here your hand is for writing, isn't it? Your leg is for The part which is above the ground is called, what is it called? Very good. It is called shoot system. It is called shoot system. Okay, it is called shoot system. Then what is it which is in the below? Okay, right. It is called root system. Below the ground is called root system. Is it clear to all? So, above the ground is called shoot system. Then what is it below? There is root. Very good. This root system is under the ground. Shall we read it again? Shoot system. The portion of the plant above the ground is called shoot system. The next one is root system. The portion of the plant below the ground is called root system. Are you clear with this, students? Very good. Then next we can go to the functions of their parts. So already we said plants have different parts and each parts have a special function, isn't it? Special functions. Flowers helps to reproduce. Flowers helps to reproduce. That means the flowers will help to produce a new plant. Fruit protects the seeds. Protects the seeds. Leaf performs photosynthesis. Leaf performs photosynthesis. Very good. Stem. Stem supports the plant. Why? Because if here there is no stem, what happens to the plant? It will fall off, isn't it? That's why stem supports plants. The last one is root. Absorbs water and minerals. It absorbs water and minerals. So students, what we have learned today, you read this and recap everything and just draw a plan and then label the parts and just remember what are all the functions of the parts. Next class, we will go in detail about parts of plants and their functions. Thank you. Children, today's homework. Write down the dictation words in your classwork. Ruled notebook 80 pages should be used. Use your pen and write neatly. Refer the PDF which is attached with this video.